In this brand new year, I wanted to bring something new. So I like to show how I wore this shawl on my dress. Wear any dress that is fit till the midsection and your belt to hold your pleats. Take a long shawl. Pleat the shawl as clean and as thin as possible. Place the pleated shawl on the left shoulder. Then take the front edge that is closer to the body and bring to the right just like I am showing. Secure it with your pin. Now adjust the front pleats and secure the shawl's inner layer with your pin just like I am doing here. Now do the same for the back or mirror me here. Let's secure the pleats on the shoulder. Once all secured, tuck this fabric in the front under the belt just like I am showing. This could be one look, but we are not stopping here. Bring the fabric on the back under the left arm. Roughly gather the pleats and wrap it around the waist. Hold one corner in one hand. Use the other hand to pleat it just like I am showing. Tuck the corner into the belt. Then neatly tuck the shawl around the waist under the belt just like I am showing. Adjust the pleats if needed. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you did, you know the drill. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and leave a comment if you like. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, see you.